Hi student, here you have the tutorial about how to use Mind42, SpiderScribe, and Google Docs. The first tool that we're going to use is Mind42. So in order to use this Web 2.0, you need to create an account in Mind42. Here you can see the address is mind42.com. When you create your account, you are going to click here in Start Mind Mapping. You are going to have a window which you are able to create your map. You have to add a name. For example, it's going to write here workshop. You write the name and then click and create. Okay, here you have the title of your work. The name is workshop. You can click here the title and then you're going to have a plus icon. You click on the plus icon and you are going to have a note. In this note, or arm if you want to call it in this way, you can write the different information, like for example to divide your work in different characteristics, or if you want to mention different items. For example, let's going to write here writers. Okay, you write here writers. If you want to add the name of the writer, you only have to click here again in writers and then click on the plus icon and write the name of them, like Emily Dickinson. If you want to add another one, click on writers, click on the plus icon right here and asterisk. If you want to add another one, click again and you can write Benjamin Franklin. Okay. If you want to add any picture, you only let me change here the name. I wrote it incorrectly. Emily. Okay, if you want to add any picture, for example here about Emily Dickinson, here you have some icons or some buttons that you can click in order to add a picture of these people. For example, click here. It says that you have to search for an image in internet. Okay, I'm going to search one here about Emily Dickinson. Emily Dickinson. Here you have a picture. You click the picture and be sure that you click here in full size image. You copy the link and then you go back to your Mind42, copy the link and click on enter. You are able here to move the picture to anywhere. Okay, and here you are gonna have the picture. It says if you pass the mouse, you are going to see here the picture that you select. Okay, if you want to add icons, any icon, for example like a flag or numbers or something that can identify that person, you can do it. If you want to change the color here of the lines of the note, you can do it. Select it here. For example, you have here blue, or you have here purple, red. You select here the size. If you want it bold, if you want it in different styles, you can do it. And then you select enter, and here you have the information. If you want to add a note, you only click here like note and you write he was an important writer in American literature, and that's it. Okay, and you're gonna have the note. When you click here in the note, you're going to find important information about Benjamin Franklin. Now, if you want to add a web page, you click here in this icon, you are able to add URL, also a wiki link. If you want to add an email address, you are able to do it, or if you want to connect it with another map. But of course, you don't have to use this link because this is your first map. So as a link, for example, we can go to internet and you write Benjamin Franklin and you search the information. Here we have the information in Wikipedia, and we select here the link and paste it here, and that's it. You see, then you're gonna have here the information about Benjamin